video today. My name's Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. Today I have a thrift haul for you guys. I recently went to St. Vincent de Paul, which is about 20-25 minutes from my house, and I did pick up some items to resell on eBay and Poshmark. So I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. I do have quite a few hauls coming out recently because I've been thrifting a lot this week. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys everything that I got. I did spend about $75, and honestly, as I'm looking through, I don't know how I spent that much because I don't feel like I have that much, but I don't think they gave me a receipt. So yeah, anyway, I thought I'd show you everything that I got. I was pretty excited about a few of these pieces just because they're brands that I really don't find there, so I was kind of surprised about that, but I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. If you aren't familiar with my channel, I do a lot of reselling content, such as sold videos, thrift videos, eBay videos, Poshmark videos, that kind of stuff, and I like to show you guys everything that I've been thrifting. I do post new content on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so please subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see that when I post it. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So the first thing I want to show you is this tankini top. I really love picking up swimwear. I pick it up pretty frequently, and I know that the summer is getting closer to the end, but there's still people purchasing swimsuits. There's people going on vacations, which they'll be doing that all year, so I just hold on my swimwear for the next year, and I keep it listed as I do sell swimwear throughout the whole year. This is actually a brand that I've never found swimwear from. It is called Soft Surroundings. I do pick this up pretty frequently, and this is actually a tankini top. They only have the top. It's a size medium. I did pay $4 for it, which is quite a bit, but I do sometimes pay up for certain items, and I was excited to get that. Okay, this is actually a BB Dakota top. The reason I picked this up is because it was 50% off, so it was only $2.25. And this is kind of like a tunic dress. It's a shorter dress, kind of like a tunic, and I just thought it was really classy, so I did pick this up. And I don't think it will sell for a whole lot, hopefully at least $20, but I don't think it will sell for a whole lot. BB Dakota really doesn't sell for very much for me, so I picked this up. This was $6, so this is a lot more than I would normally spend on this brand, but I saw it and I just wanted to get it, so I got it. And it is a bigger size, I can tell. I don't think there's a size tag in here anywhere. It looked like the tag was already out, but I believe this is a large, and this is actually a Fabletics. It is a sports bra, but it's like a little bit longer, so it's kind of almost like a crop top sports bra, and I picked this up for $6, which is kind of a lot, but I guess I really didn't realize it was $6. This was $2. This is a Tommy Bahama tankini top, and I think this will sell, probably not for a ton, but for $2, I definitely was willing to invest in it. I got this because of the style. I've never heard of the brand, so if you have, let me know. Honestly, I just thought it was super cute. It's a neon yellow tankini top, and it's by Mixkini S. Oliver. If you heard of this, let me know. I've never heard of it. I thought maybe it was like a mix-it brand like JCPenney's or Sears, but I just really liked the style, and I thought it was really cute, so I picked it up. If it doesn't sell, I'll just keep it for myself. Okay. I found this pair of Athleta bikini swim bottoms. So these were $2 as well. And I do like picking up separates. I actually thought this would look super cute with that tankini top, so I might put them together. Even though they're not the same brand, they are the same size, so yeah, that was cute. I actually picked this up and didn't look it up before I purchased it because I only had an hour there, and I basically was in a hurry, so I ended up picking it up and I didn't realize that I still had it in the cart when I went to check out. So this is Pearl Izumi. This is, I believe, a bicycling brand, and some of these did sell for $20 to $30, so it's just like a bicycling vest tank top thing. I'll probably list it for like $25 or best offer, and I think I paid $2 for that, $3, so I was excited to find this because I don't find this brand very often at this thrift store, so I was pretty excited. This is Diletta Anthropology. Extra small. It's just a black and white. It's not like anything like spectacular, but I thought it was cute. It's very, very soft, and it was only $3. Now, I like picking up vintage swimwear. I do it very often. I have a couple vintage pieces here to show you. This was $2, and I picked it up just because I really love the style. It is a bikini top. There's no brand or size tag or anything. I do believe it's about a size small, so I did put that in the listing and just stated there's no size or brand tag. This is a vintage one-piece swimsuit, and why I really got this is because I thought the back was really cool. It is like kind of cut on the sides, and it does have the original tag. It's called Palisades Beach Club. I can't tell what this says, but I do believe it measures as a size small. I honestly cannot see what, it's so faded I can't see what it says, but I do believe it's going to fit around a size small. So I just put measurements and put that I don't know the size. Yeah, pick that up. Might not sell for a lot, but it'll probably still sell for a good profit. This is also a Fabletics top, and I know that because this is the Fabletics sign. Kind of mesh on the back. It's cute. It doesn't sell. I will keep it, but it was $4, so it was kind of expensive. I actually purchased this for myself because I thought it was really cool. It's 100% silk. It is a skirt. It's a vintage express skirt, and I think if it fits me, I'm just gonna keep it. It was only $1 because it was on sale, 50% off, and it's the silk. It's got this cute little wrap tie thing, and yeah, I just thought it was really cute. And then I also got this top for myself. It's called Kate Hill. I don't recommend picking this up or anything like that, but it's like a cropped green tank top, and I basically just got that for myself. So that's probably going to be like an outfit, and I'm just going to keep those two pieces for myself. I really don't recommend picking them up to resell. I also picked this up, and I didn't look it up before I left. It's called Outdoor Research. Some of these sell for okay, some don't. I paid $3, so I probably, well, actually I think I paid $1.50 because I think all the tops were 50% off. I honestly don't think that it's going to sell for much, so I'll probably make $10 or $15 on it, but I don't necessarily recommend picking that up. I was excited to find this there because this brand I don't find super often. This is Desigual. It's a size medium skirt, and kind of has like a little ruche gathering there. That's the back, and I was excited to find that because I don't find Desigual that often. This was one of the first things I found. I was really excited because I've never found a Lululemon t-shirt that was for like a running thing, like a specific, like this, push yourself it says, but it's Lululemon, you can see, and then the back also has the little Lululemon thing. These t-shirts don't seem to go for a whole lot, so I'm hoping to get 25 out of it, but it definitely looks like a bigger size. I definitely think it's a 10 or a 12, but I have to measure it and then just put that in the listing. It's probably a size 12 actually, because it's pretty big, and I didn't see any size dot anywhere, so I have to do a little bit of research on that. But there were quite a few listed on eBay, and they didn't look like they were listed for very much. So this is like a maxi gauzy dress. It's by Michael Kors, size small, and it is definitely something you would probably wear in the summertime, possibly over your swimsuit. It's orange. It was 50% off, so I only paid $3.25 for it, so that's why I picked it up. I definitely think this will sell just because a lot of some cover-up dresses are really selling well for me right now. I got this. Now this is the old brand of Toad & Co. It used to be called Horny Toad. You can see why they changed their name. This is just a skirt, kind of like it's like a dry fit. It's a really nice material actually, skirt. And I'm gonna list this. Probably won't get more than 15. I think it was $1.50, so I was happy about that. I got this. I don't know why. I think I just kind of liked it. It is called Cute Options Made in India. It's a rayon dress, and it's black. It's It's definitely like a very, very thin, lightweight, almost like a see-through maxi dress. If it fits me good, I'll probably keep it, but I think I'm definitely gonna have to wear like a slip underneath it, like a long black slip. I don't think I'm gonna sell it. I think I'm just gonna keep it for myself if it fits. I'm really short, so when I can find dresses that are like ankle length or like midi length, then I like to pick them up for myself, because maxi dresses are always super long on me. So this is kind of my alternative to maxi dresses, and it's kind of vintagey looking, which I kind of like. I picked these up. There was a few different pairs of, there's like Keens and like a few different other pairs of shoes, but I honestly don't do really well with shoes. I have been with shoes in them, and I just don't do very well with shoes, so I don't pick them up very often. These are a pair of Clark's Artesian sandals. They were $4. They're actually in really, really excellent condition. There's a little bit of wear there. Honestly, I don't think they've been worn more than 1 or 2 times. I'll just clean up the bottoms, but yeah, they look really, really nice, and they're cute. They're size 9.5. They actually match that dress really well. And I got this purely for style. It's $2, and it's this really awesome like 80s style belt. It actually has like a lace kind of, can't really see detail. It's called Elite Fresno, California. It's a size medium. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. I think that's supposed to be medium. I picked this up solely for style. I'm going to try to start selling on Depop, and I thought this would be something really neat to put on Depop. So yeah, I saw it there I think last time, and it was there again, and that's been a few weeks, so I picked it up. It's just really cool. And the last but not least is this awesome Dooney and Burke all weather leather, which I've gotten these before. Vintage purse. I did pay $15 for it, as you can see. If it doesn't sell, I'll keep it for myself because I think it's super cute. It's a little small for me, but I definitely might keep it for myself. If it doesn't sell, I'm gonna probably list a little bit higher so I can make my money back. But $15 is a lot to pay for something, but I purchased this mostly because it was all-weather leather. If it was something else, I wouldn't have. I'm pretty sure it's authentic. I think it's just because it's old. It's definitely real leather. I can tell. It's very, very soft. This is the inside. The thing that made me think maybe it was fake, there's actually a few pennies in here, was this. A lot of fake bags put that in there. But this definitely looks vintage. Even, I don't think it's fake. I think it's real, but yeah. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's real. Hopefully it is. I'll have to do a little more research though. And yeah, if it's fake, I'm just gonna keep it because I think it's so cute. Anyway, that was the last piece that I purchased. So I did spend about $75, and I'm kind of worried that maybe I had accidentally, I'm kind of worried that maybe I left a bag. But I can't remember anything else that I got. Because I feel like that's a lot for those pieces. I'll have to go through. Because this was 15, so it would have been like 60. And then this was 4. That's 20. 22. 23. 24, 25, 26. 30. Dresses were 50% off. So that'd be $33.50. $37.50. Because I'm counting, yeah, I did $37.50. 38, 39. That's actually probably right. It probably is right because I think I took, right? Did I take 15 off? I'll have to go through. I think that's right, actually. I was kind of worried because I'm like, I thought I got more stuff. Anyway, I think it is right. So that is everything that I got at St. Vincent. So it wasn't a huge haul, but I would say I got 15 to 20 pieces. So that's awesome. I have been thrifting a lot because I had some time off of work. This week is kind of my vacation week, so I have been thrifting a lot and I love it, but now I need to start listing and selling. So tomorrow, that's when I'm going to be doing all this stuff. I'm going to be listing it on eBay and Poshmark. If you do see something that you like, it should be uplisted in my Poshmark closet when this video goes live. So please check that out. If you're interested, it will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget, I do post videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if you do want to see more content from me, please do not forget to subscribe. I'm still a pretty small channel, so any new subscribers, I'm just really happy to get you guys. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you're thrifting right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye!